Hi, my name's Margarita. I run a small business called Margarita Fit. I'm a personal trainer and group fitness instructor, and I needed an add-on for my business. So after they have DOMs, we surely need to fix them. I did a course called Certification in Professional Massage with Body Sense Massage School, and I was always under the impression that you required $8,000 or $10,000 or some hefty fee to complete a legitimate course, when you don't. You still get extensive information, extensive knowledge through Body Sense Massage School in just one weekend. One weekend course is all it took. And that was really beneficial for me because I'm a mother that does not have a lot of time to study. Even after I completed my weekend course, I was able to get insurance through Aon Insurance, which Body Sense Massage School led me to, and they completely assisted me with the entire process. And I found out from one of my future employers that they are actually one of the best insurance companies. So there's a lot that I was able to take away from Body Sense Massage Therapy in the way of therapeutic techniques, relaxation, which was not my domain as I came from a sports background. I also found the instructors were extremely professional, fun, upbeat, friendly. It helped with the entire environment of the course for the whole weekend. So everyone became really good friends by the end of it. Everyone exchanged contact details. We now keep talking. Body Sense Massage Therapy also gave tips on marketing, which assisted in growing my business and the success of my business also. But yeah, all I can say is thank you, Body Sense Massage School.